Welcome to the Marriott Hotel here in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada. This is where my friend Raven Jade stayed at recently. Let's join her for a little tour of some of the hotel and the fabulous rooms she had. As you can see here on this overcast day, the Marriott is located right on Halifax Harbor. Just outside there are restaurants and shops and bars. It's very, very nice. A great spot, very convenient. But let's go inside and see what the hotel looks like. It's a splendid lobby. And hark, what do we hear? Oh, why, we are greeted with carolers. I have never seen carolers inside a hotel to welcome guests. And just to add to the festive atmosphere, let's give a little listen to them. So one of the really nice features of being a Platinum, Titanium, or Ambassador Elite member of Marriott is that you get to relax from the hustle and bustle in their Concierge Lounge. Oh, isn't it really nice? You can dine in, check out the free Wi-Fi, and they have snacks and pastries and drinks to choose from for free. Here's their dining area, and you can see the couch behind. But here's the menu. This is amazing. So we're looking at the morning menu. So you get to choose any of those items that you would like. And it's all complimentary. A lot of things to choose from. Pancakes and eggs, different sides, and then they have an evening menu. So there's soup and salad, or fish, fries. That's really awesome. But she's here for breakfast. So let's see, I wonder what she has in mind. I could have guessed. Yum, scrambled eggs, breakfast potatoes, toast, and oh, I bet that's her favorite, crispy bacon. Great breakfast. Doesn't it look scrumptious? Yum, yum. Time to head up to the room. This is a nice, cute little room. There's a nice little lounge. There's a king-size bed. Typical chairs. There's a nice desk there on the left. But oh, something's extra special on the nightstand. So she's going to get us in there and to look a little closer, see what she opens up. Oh, it's a little vial of linen mist. This is to spritz on your pillow or your sheets to get you that good night's rest. Catch up on that beauty sleep. Beautiful view. You can just see it there, but even better is we're going to look at the other window. Look at that view of the whole harbor. How beautiful. Talk about being right on the harbor. Oh yeah, she sure is. Even with a gray sky, it is amazing. Very, very cute room. They do have a nice little typical closet. They give you a little bathrobe, your ironing board, the iron, and it looks like there might be a little bit of a blanket up top, extra blanket. Let's check out the bathroom. That's really nice. Big shower. Look at that shower. Isn't that nice? And it's a good sized mirror too. And surprise, surprise, guess what? Later that night, wow, she could see fireworks across the water right from her window. Doesn't that make you want to go, ooh, ah? Fireworks are always so magical. That is just amazing. Absolutely love it. What a lovely room, and with such a great view. It's hard to beat that. Awesome. Thank you, Raven Jade, for bringing us along on your trip. Click on the video link next to see the beautiful Evergreen Festival and Harbor Walk here in Halifax. Thanks for watching.